The first question, if we want to find b, first we must know that the sum of px equals to k must equal to 1. So we can get that we can first find out the sum of k times p to the power of k minus 1, and finally find that b is equal to 1 minus p squared. And the first question, we want to find ex. First, by definition, we know that ex is equal to 1 minus p squared times the sigma k squared times p to the power of k minus 1, and reduce this to, we can divide the sigma into two simple sigmas. It is 2 sigma k times p to the power of k minus 1 minus sigma p to the power of k, and last we get that ex is equal to 1 plus p over 1 minus p. Similarly, we can find ex squared is equal to sigma k squared times p x equals to k. This time we can divide this sigma into 3 simple sigmas, and at last we can get that ex squared is equal to p squared plus 4p plus 1 over 1 minus p squared. According to question 2 and 3, we can solve the next question. Ex squared minus e squared x, it is equal to 2p over 1 minus p squared. Okay, the last question. We want to figure out the p x equals to k given x is less than 5 and more than 2. First, when k is more than or equal to 6 or k is less than 2, its probability doesn't exist. It is equal to 0. And when k is less than or equal to 5 or more than and more than or equal to 2, we can get that px equals to k given x is less than or equal to 5, more than or equal to 2, is equal to that px is equal to k over the sum of px is equal to 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, and at last we can get that this conditional probability is equal to 81 over 98 times k times 1 over 3 to the power of k minus 1.